Hey Barre Babes, welcome to your Barre Basics core workout today. So I'm just gonna whip my hair up here. Make your way down to your mat. Feet are going to be flat on the floor. Let's go for hip distance apart. Sit up nice and strong and tall so you start to feel your abdominal muscles engage right away. Send your arms forward, then just roll down onto the floor. Let's go for 8, 7, 6, slow and controlled, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. So go ahead, take your feet a little closer to your seat. You want to be nice and comfortable here. I like to lift my pelvis off the ground and then make sure my sacrum is laying flat into the floor. Zip up from your pubic bone to your chest. Place your hands behind your head. So just at the bottom of the nape of the neck. So think about where those little pokey outie bones are on the back of your head, your occipital bones, and that's where you're going to cradle. That's what you're going to cradle into your palms. Take your right ankle, cross it over your left knee, push that open and hold this position. We curl up and down. Good. Curl up and down. So we're going for nice slow curls, tucking your chin to your chest, taking your gaze to the top of your shin in front of you. So we don't want to look forward and jut out through the chin. We want to look ahead of us here. Good. Curl up, up, and down. As you curl, flatten through your belly muscles, scoop through your core. Let's go up, release. Good. Up, release. Breathe. Exhale as you curl, inhale as you come down. 4. Good. Hold your curl now, pulses right here. You have 16, 15, 14, good. Keep your elbows nice and wide. There's no tension in the head, neck, and shoulders. You're resting your occipital bones right into your palms. You have 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax down to the floor. Take your palms, place them at 45 degrees. Push them down into the ground. Feel your low back imprint into your mat. We bring the knee in 2 counts, and then tap the toe. In 2 counts, and tap the toe. Ooh, my foot's cramping, so I'm gonna flex my foot right here. Good. Down. 2, you got it. In, 2, and down. Breathe. We're gonna go slow on here because I want this to move from the bottom or the lower half of your abdominal wall. And down. Good. Oh my gosh, that foot can't stop cramping, so I'm just gonna hold it flexed. I want you to hold your curl right here. Hold your curl. Hands come back behind the head. Suck deep into the curl. Hold. 16, 15, 14. Breathe. If you want the little pulse for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center. Well done, everybody. One more round in this position. We're gonna curl across. Come back down. Curl across. Come back down. Good. Yes, curl and reach. So we're targeting our obliques here. Left shoulder blades comes right off the ground. You can speed this up if you wish. Curl and down. Breathe. Push that knee open. Keep pressing your low back into the floor. 4. Connect your obliques, your waistline here. 2 more. Hold and pulse it up. Getting deeper into that curl. Pulling those belly muscles in. Breathing into that burn. Good. 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Extend the arms and legs nice and long. We're going to reset our body before we do the other side. So you can arch the spine off the floor here to get a deeper stretch. And then whenever you're ready, take your feet back flat onto the floor. Lift your pelvis. Lengthen your tailbone as you press your sacrum down into your mat. So I want you to feel flat through your belly muscles, relax through your shoulders, crossing the left ankle over the right knee. Let's curl. Up, 2, and down. Good. Remembering all of our alignment points as we move. Exhale as you curl up. Inhale as you lower. One more slow right here. Single counts. Let's go for 8. Good. 4 more right here for 4. And 3. You have 2. Hold your curl. Little pulses, please. Little lift. Lift. Now those elbows are not gonna come forward. I want you to open them up. I want you to cradle your head into your hands. Keep your focus right on your shins. Woo-hoo, yes, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Releasing back down to the floor. Place your palms at 45. Imprint your low back into the mat. We lift off the ground and then tap the toe. So I want you to pull the belly button down towards the floor to begin. Feel the lower half of your abdominal wall fire up to lift. Good. 2 up, 2 down. Good. If you want, actually no, I don't think we sped it up, did we? Let's keep this nice and slow because you want to keep this connected. You don't want the low back to come off the ground. Good. Lift, 2, and lower. Just 1 more here. Awesome. Lift and hold. Hands behind the head. Strong double curl and hold. That's all you got to do. Breathe. If you want it, pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back down to the ground. Final round to go. We curl and twist and reach. Good. Curl, twist, and reach. That's it. 2 more. So finding the obliques on the opposite side of the body. 8 singles. Here we go. Here we go. Reach and curl and twist. 4 more right here for 4. For 3. You have 2. Reach and curl and hold. Shoulder blade right off the ground. Good. Stay relaxed to the head, neck, and shoulders. Push your knee back. Get deeper into that twist. You have 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Extend the arms long, legs long. Find a good arch in the spine. From this position here, when you take your feet flat on the floor, we're gonna work through 1 big curl up to a seated position. Hands are gonna come hip distance apart. Big inhale. Rotate the palms to face each other. Arms come up. Inhale, exhale. Curl all the way up. Woo, good one. All right, I wanna teach you how to do some push-ups today. So let's do them. Now, I know push-ups can sometimes feel really intimidating, but I want to talk you through it in a way that should be able to make you feel connected and engaged. So what we're going to do is come all the way down onto the ground. Take your feet about hip distance apart. And then take your palms in line with your rib cage. Now, we don't want the elbows to be wide here. I want you to rotate them down on a 45-degree angle. So if you imagine your body right now, you want to think of an arrow with the top of your head being the point and your elbows being sort of the triangular arrowhead, and then your body is nice and long. From this position here, you can go ahead and bend at the knees and cross the ankles. Awesome. So, forehead can relax out onto the ground. I'm not going to put it all the way down because I want you to hear me. I don't want to block my mic. But in this position, I want you to feel the length in the torso, the alignment of the ears, shoulders, and hips all in the same plane. And then go ahead and firm your navel towards your spine. So when you fire up your core muscles, take a big inhale. And then as you exhale, push all the way up. There's your perfect start position. Hold this position. Yeah, I know. The core is working, the glutes are working, the arms are working. We're just gonna move nice and slow. Just 4. That's it. 2 counts down and 2 counts up. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale, push up. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, push up. Good. Inhale, lower. Exhale, push up. 1 more. And then holding at the top. Hold for 8, 7, 6, good. Keep the back of the neck nice and long. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come all the way down. Push back into your child's pose. Good stuff, good stuff. Not bad, hey? Push-ups can feel really empowering, and they make us really engage and feel connected to our body, so that's why I love to do them. I love them so much that we're gonna do them all over again. So I want you to reset one more time. Rotate those palms down to the floor. Relax the shoulders. Bend at the knees. And I'm gonna show you another modification here if you didn't feel, or if you feel uber tired from that first round, right? So it's a big inhale, find that length. Firm the navel towards the spine. Exhale, push all the way up, hold. Hold, hold, hold. Now it's just 2 counts down and 2 counts up. But if you feel like you really can't push yourself all the way up, I want you to come all the way down to the mat and then all the way back up. So watch what I mean. It's down, all the way down, push back up. Good, down, down, push all the way up. If it feels good, you're gonna come down halfway. One more. Push all the way up and hold right here. We hold for 8, 7, 6, 4, 3, 2, and release back down to the floor. Oh my goodness, push back into that child's pose. Toes together, knees nice and wide. Connect the thumbs together. Reach the fingertips towards the edge of your mat. Push your sits bones down into the heels. Relax your belly muscles between the thighs. So that slow push up and the hold at the top is also great for your core muscles. And then roll up through the spine, one vertebra at a time. Should we finish off with a plank? Yeah, why not? Why not? Why don't I teach you a high plank? Just one quick high plank. So from this position, we're gonna come palms underneath the shoulders, knees underneath the hips to begin. Now, if you feel any pressure in your wrists, you have the option to come down onto your forearms. But I wanna go slightly intermediate with you today. So we're gonna go up into that high plank position. From here, you wanna soften through the elbows, lengthen through the back of the neck, widen through the shoulder blades, take a big step back with one foot, and then the other. I want you to feel like the hips are in line with the knees and the shoulders and the ears. So again, we're not dropping down into our chest or our chin. We're gonna push out of the floor, open up through the back, breathe. If we feel like this is way too intense, just take it down to the knees. No problem, you got this. Let's hold 8, breathe. 7, good. 6, push, push, push. This is all you gotta do today. 4, breathe. 3, yes. 2, and 1. Well done, bring those knees back underneath you. We'll take a big side bend here, reaching up and over to one side, reaching for your wrist, dropping those hips down into the mat. I hope you learned a lot today about your core and your form and alignment. And we'll see you back on the mat for another Barre Basics workout. Hey Barre Babes, it's Ella here. I hope that you enjoyed that workout. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment below. I love to hear from you. And if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the bell for notifications on our next barre workout. See you soon.